All right, Harper, we're just going to go over your paper that you submitted to me, talking about your Pomo woman outside her Thule for our Native American unit for the persuasive essay that you did. Overall, I think you did very well. I gave you a 2.5, and really you're on the border of that 3. The way it's scored out, you're about a half point away from getting that full 3 as your raw score. So a couple of things that I think you did really well is your grammar and your punctuation within the whole entire persuasive essay. I thought was really well used, with commas, as well as using Native Americans and talking about the Pomo, capitalizing those because they're proper nouns. A couple of small mistakes that you had in here with spelling, and just in your third paragraph, you didn't capitalize marshes in there, but overall, very, very good. I also like the in-depth detail that you gave as well in each of the paragraphs to kind of reinforce your point, which was using the land and their resources and their environment to build houses and find food. I would have also probably included in the beginning paragraph with your hook of your argument, not only by using the land and the resources to build houses and find food, but to also survive, right? One of the biggest things we talked about in this unit was using the land as the resources, not just to find food in their houses, but to survive in these harsh environments. One of the other things I think you could have worked on as well is using some phrases to glue parts together in each of your paragraphs. For example, using like another example, for instance. We did talk about that in class as well, but I think those could have probably made your transitions to the next part of your paragraph flow a little bit better, even though I thought it flowed very well. And I did like how in your conclusion, you reinforced your hook, as well as you reinforced your main argument that you set out to put in the beginning of your introductory paragraph. So those overall were the main things that stuck out, but I thought you did very, very well. I also thought that structurally, in terms of what I asked for, with the heading and double spacing was very well. You did a very good job in that as well. So awesome job. Very good job, Harper. Thank you.